How would you like to make $180 in a day by just clicking a few buttons? Results like this is possible with this, and all this takes is a few simple clicks to do, and there are going to be many automation and generation tools that will do all of the work for us. And I'm also going to show you a massive bonus where you can get traffic for free without spending a dime on this. As I mentioned above, no money or investment is needed. This is worldwide, free, beginner friendly, and anybody that watches this video can do this and make some easy money online. And I'm also quickly going to do a $5 giveaway in this video, and I won't be long, I will be quick with this. This is really going to be a nice quick video, so I really suggest just sitting here for 10 minutes and really learning this great high income skill. But what's going to happen is if you can comment down below the right amount of times I say the word logo, that's LOGO from second number 1, and then from all the people that get that correct, I'm just going to use a random comment generator. From those that get it correct, I will then pin someone lucky, and on that pinned comment, I'll reply to you asking for your PayPal email address, and from there, I will send that straight to your PayPal account. So make sure to listen out for that so you can win your $5. But without further ado, let's hop into this video. So the free tool that we are talking about is wix.com/logo maker, and this is one of the most professional logo design tools that I've seen online for a very long time. And if I scroll down a bit, have a look at this. These are some of the templates that you can go and generate at the touch of a button. Literally clicking one or two buttons, you can go and generate these and make good money online with this, as most people go out there, buy Photoshop, spend hours and hours with their time on Photoshop making beautiful text logos like this that really take a long time, when they don't actually know tools like this exist where you can generate the same thing with just a few clicks in literally a few seconds. And I'm going to show you how that's done. And this website's completely free, so you don't have to spend any membership, or the amount of logos that you can make is not limited. It's all unlimited, and you can do this whenever you want to and make money online with this. Come back to this website, use this strategy again and again, and make more and more money online using this. So one thing that I've discovered when it comes to making money online, if you can help people, help them with their problems, solve problems for them, you can actually make a lot of money online. Whether you want to help people build their brand, build a logo for them, build a more professional presence online, something that their clients can remember to keep coming back for more business. You can share designs with them, print their own logos. If you can go out there and help people, even if you can do the work or whether you can outsource the work, it doesn't really matter. As long as you can help them, you can actually really make a lot of money online. And also, all the websites that I'm going to show you is completely mobile friendly. So if you have a mobile phone, you can go to wix.com/logo maker on your phone, do the same thing sitting anywhere, whether you're at the bus station, whether you're at work, want to make some extra money online with your phone from work, quickly in the shops, or at home. You can do this and take this business with you wherever you go. So now that we have a free automation and logo generation tool, we need to go and put this into action. So make sure to keep watching, as I'm going to show you each and every step to go and set this up, just to show you some more examples that have been made in the past by people using this tool, such as Rave Music Festival, Mass Records, Green Care. You can actually see these are logos that look really professional. It's not like one or two emojis or it kind of looks like it was put together in just a few seconds. These look like a lot of effort was put into these, such as I love this delivery company logo, really amazing. This yogurt bar, it is really, really high quality stuff, and that's why I've specifically chosen the Wix logo maker for this video, because as this is what I've discovered works the best and produces the best logos, as essentially I want this to work for you as well. So we're going to come back to this homepage over here, and we can enter our brand name. We can use any example. Let's go, for example, Millionaire Mindset. I'm not going to use a tagline. I'm just going to click on Start Now, and I'm going to generate. So I'm going to go create a logo myself. We don't want to hire a professional designer, as we don't want to pay for that. I'm just going to, you quickly have to sign in with your account. Wix is completely free. What's your logo for? Here we're going to type in our niche. So what we can do is we can go, for example, photography. Just as an example, we can use an example. They're going to pop up with examples. We can use photography school, rental studio. Let's go, for example, wedding photography. Let's click on next. It's going to ask you how should your logo look and feel. So let's just choose, for example, fun. Let's also go quite formal, as a wedding is like formal dressed, and modern if we want to. We can click on next. Which of these logos do you like better? I'm going to choose this one with the leaf. And which one of these? I like this one on the right. I'm just going to choose this one on the left, and then this one on the left, and let's say this one on the left. And then why do you want to use your logo? We just want to choose, let's say, social media and our website, or actually just select all of these so we can see all the options available. Click on next, it's then going to generate our logo for us. As you can see here, one that's actually already stood out for me quite nicely is this one over here, this millionaire mindset with like the crown, kind of like symbolizing a king. It's quite cool. Millionaire mindset with the cake, millionaire mindset with the rings. Remember, I did choose like wedding and stuff. So this is actually some really professional work over here. So now that we have our logos generated, you saw it was just literally a few clicks of a button. We can actually go and use this to make a lot of money online. So keep watching with me so we can go and put these steps into action to go and generate money online like this. And just quickly to show you another great example of a free tool that you can use is canva.com. You come over to the logo section. Again, fantastic logos that we can go and edit with our text, with the different pictures, changing colors around. This is another good example of a really high quality tool, much better than most of the other logo generation tools out there. And this one's just as easy to go and make your logo. But for this case, we're going to be sticking with our Wix logos that we've made over here. So I'm actually going to show you 3 separate ways that you can go and do this after watching this video. The first step that we actually want to do is we want to come over to Google and we want to type in watermark our logo, because what we're actually going to do is the first way is we can go out there and charge people for these logos, but we're actually going to target traffic that is actually looking for logos. So it is an audience that will convert and will buy from you because they are looking for logos. So I'm just going to go to this website here, watermarkly.com, and we want to actually go and watermark one of our logos. So let's go and download our logo of Wix. I'm going to use this one with the millennial mindset. So I'm going to download this to my PC. We're then going to click on next step. Once we've uploaded our picture, click on next step again. And we want to click on add our logos, and you want to click on add text. So we just want to put, for example, we can leave this as sample. We want to increase the size a bit and just kind of put it like, or make it a little bit smaller so they can at least see. And we're going to leave sample over this logo, and we can then click on watermark logo, watermark images, and we can then download this to our PC. So here you can see is our watermarked logo. And what we can actually go and do is now we can go and show people this is the kind of logos we make. This is just a sample. If you want us to remove the watermark, we're going to charge for that. And why I want to do that is because we're at least showing them some work, proof of our work, before going around and randomly asking people online to pay for our logo. We want to show proof of our work first. So from there, you want to come over to Twitter and you want to search, for example, something along the lines, I need a logo, or I'm looking for a logo, or I'm looking for graphic design, or anything like that. You want to go and find people that are looking for logos. And have a look at this. This person says, I need a new logo. I might start looking at designers to do it soon. I think I need an artist logo, mascot logo. So what you can actually go and do is take a look at the niche. So for example, this guy is saying, I need to get an artist logo. So you want to come back to Wix the same way I made this random wedding logo. You want to choose artist as a niche, and then you want to use that watermark tool to watermark your logo. You can then come to Twitter, click on his tweet, actually click on comment. You can add your logo that you've now watermarked, because obviously you don't want him to use it. You somehow want him to pay you for it. So you can go and say, here is the kind of artist logos I make. Let me know if you'd like me to send you the full resolution logo without the watermark for $20, for example. And you can make a quick $20 like that, and they will either say yes or no, and you charge them through PayPal, and then you send them through DMs, or even ask them for their email so the quality stays the same, and you can go and send them their full resolution logo. So that's one way of targeting people online looking to pay for logos, looking to make their own logos online and increase their brand. So it's not like it's just cold promoting. You are actually talking to people that are already looking for logos. And another easy way that you can go and do this, guys, is come over to a platform called Upworks.com, which is very similar to Fiverr. It's a freelance platform where professionals and experts are paid to complete tasks online. So I simply just put logo in the search bar, and you can see some people are getting paid $99 an hour. And all they're doing is they're making their profile on Upworks look professional, giving themselves a really professional looking brand on Upworks. That's why they can charge more, because in the end, selling is all about branding. So this guy is getting paid $99 an hour, $88 an hour, $40 an hour, $50 an hour, $30 an hour. You can simply go and create a couple of gigs with your watermark work as your picture. Say, have a little description of what you do. So you can say you're a senior and expert logo designer and brand specialist. You can say, I've been designing logos for a while. This is some of my work for people that I've created around the world, creating logos on Canva and Wix. You can list your price, for example, like $20, $30 an hour. Write up a bit of a profile. I suggest go and look at these other people's profiles, have a look at how they wording their profile, and just take influence from that. Don't copy anything, but take a lot of influence from it and reword it in your own words to really brand your profile. Getting influence from the top people on Upworks, really fantastic way to brand yourself well is getting influence. And you can go and set your price, kind of set yourself a little bit lower than the average on Upworks to beat the majority of the competition, so most people would order from you. Go create a couple of gigs, 1 or 2 gigs in the logo design niche and the brand specialist niche, listing on Fiverr, and 1 or 2 people that hit you up. And as you grow your Upwork brand more and more sales could come along over time, where you're going to get lots of orders a day, and this could eventually become your full-time thing. And thirdly, you can use a platform called SEOclax.com. So again, I just put logo in the search bar, and you can see people are charging $1, $2, $30, $25, $17 for logo templates. But I don't really like SEOclax that much myself. I don't really use it, simply because you can see these kind of listings over here look a lot more basic, don't look as attractive as these professional looking ones over here. You can see like this guy has senior logo designer, branding specialist, 100% job success, where here design you a modern minimalist logo. It looks very informal. It looks like this guy is just randomly created a gig and he's going to design your quick logo for $5, whereas this guy looks like a real brand specialist charging $99 an hour. That's why I really like Upworks, is the whole branding on Upworks is just so much better than SEOclax. But SEOclax is a great place to go and list your logo design. You can see some people $50, $5, and these people, like this guy's getting 139 reviews at $5 is a lot of money. So I mean, I go 139 just times $5, that's $695 he has made on this gig. So that's what you can do. You can actually go and list. So you can go and list both on SEOclax and Upworks.com and go and promote your logo work everywhere. And guys, this is a really easy way to make free money online. Go design some logos, list your work on SEOclax, Upworks.com. It could start off small, but over time you keep working at it, it could become your main thing, and more income coming in. As the more and more orders that come in, you could eventually overtake your current job or whatever it is that you're doing. So this is just a great side hustle which can become a main hustle over time. You never know, you could be lucky, you could blow up in the first day, get a few sales, and boom, your traction is going, and you could keep maintaining that there and keep posting different gigs and services. But I'd really appreciate it if you guys could smash that like button down below and subscribe down below if you're new. I'd really appreciate the support lately on this channel. And also don't forget about the $5 giveaway in this video, and also don't forget to share this with anyone if they need help or want to learn ways to make money online, as I'm uploading on the daily, and this video is definitely one of the easiest ways to make money online. On the screen above, I'll also leave my best playlist to making money online, whether it's more long-term business models or more quicker ways of making a quick 50 or $100 online. And those are all different strategies my videos teach, so you're welcome to go and check that out. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.